Hello Ospreys! Today I will be showcasing the theater workshop that took place on August 31st, 2021. I would like to preface this video by saying that we did take proper COVID-19 precautions, including mask wearing and social distancing. To begin this session, we broke into groups and completed physical and vocal warm-ups. After warm-ups, we gathered for a brief group discussion, then began playing some hilarious acting games, including speed dating, bus stop, and categories.
On what? I'm sorry?
But you should right now because, I mean, you have a ring.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, the ring's supposed to go on my finger, sir.
I don't care.
Baby.
What's your favorite insect? I like spiders. They have 8 legs. So like 1 and like 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then 5. Wait, 6 and then 7. Oh my god, I'm so quirky.
Doritos.
Skittles. Cheeseburger. Lay's. Cheetos.
Gummies, Charlie gummies.
M&M's.
Worms. No, gummy worms, whatever.
Sit down.
Reese's Pieces. Crab legs. Eggs.
Sugar rice.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Bleach.
Fried chicken.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about our workshops or theater in general, please feel free to visit Ms. Barra's room 824 in the 6th grade hallway before or after school, or email her at lisabarras@ocps.net. Thank you again!